Where the rain comes from? Most rain comes from the sea. Some seawater tends to gas in the air. If the air rises, the gas becomes water drops. This may cause, if the drops get big enough, they fall as rain. The water falls back to the sea. 1. Seawater rises into air. 2. Water from plants rises into air. 3. Rain falls. 4. Water runs into rivers. The water recycle. The water cycle. This is today's English. Over. Bye-bye. Hiding the clouds. The top of the tall mountains are often in the clouds. At the top it looks misty. Mountains sometimes get lost in these clouds. It's cumulus. It's cirrus. It's stratus. Are all clouds small and furry? Clouds come in lots of different shapes and sizes. Weather experts get the different clouds named. Furry clouds are called cumulus clouds. Some are small and some are giant. Flat clouds are called stratus clouds. Wispy clouds high in the sky are called cirrus clouds. Okay. Cumulus, cirrus, stratus. While rain never lands, sometimes rain falls from a cloud never reaches the ground. If the drops of rain fall into very dry air, the water in them turns into gas. This means that the drops disappear and never reach the ground. Look at the clouds outside today. Are they furry or flat? This picture above will help you.